And welcome back to Lighten Up. Well, that's it. We got to go. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for coming out. Right? Yeah. I want to thank my beautiful guest, Miss Donna Myrie Stephen, for being a former beauty queen, a mother, an entrepreneur, and just an overall incredible woman. Wasn't she pretty incredible?
Yeah.
Yes. I want to thank my chat center. Yeah, because they helped me, work it out, dissect it, look at everything. And of course, our musical guests this evening. Were they good? Great. Yes. Thank you so much for coming on the Lighten Up show. And I want to thank Mary Lou Bodden at Day Blue. Does my hair, does all of our hair. We're getting hooked up. Victor's hooking us up. Caitlin's hooking us up. Don't we look good night after night? Yes. All right. We need to stick together. Crabs in a bucket, forget about it. Learn from the other nations that are around us and take care of one another. You see how they're taking care of each other? We need to take care of each other. Don't you think? Yeah. And Christians, you know the secret, so share with your fellow man. Do what Jesus would do. He worked with folks every day. Heaven is there for all of us. Isn't it? Yes, that's right. So give us the secret. We want to know it. Lighten up, folks. See you next time. Where's my exit music? I gotta go.
The Lighten Up Show is sponsored by Beyond Basics Medical Day Spa. Be the change you want to see.